Today, let's take a look at the way that you add in PayPal as a default payment method on eBay. If you shop frequently on eBay and you don't want the hassle of adding in a payment method each time and you want to save the details of your PayPal account, let me show you how it's done. Once you're inside of your eBay account on a web browser, click on the My eBay option on the top and then head over to Summary. Now you can do the same process on the mobile app of eBay as well, but the easier way is through the web app. Once you're inside of this section, click on Account. Inside of Account, you'll see the option called Payment Information. Just click on the Payments option. And here you'll have the section of adding in cards or your accounts. Click on Add Cards and Accounts. Click on Checkout. Click on Continue. And here, as you can see, there are three options: credit card or debit card, PayPal, and Venmo. Select the PayPal option, click on Continue. Now you need to log into your PayPal account. Just type in your email address or your phone number and the password of your PayPal account and then click on Login. Once you do, you'll be successfully logged into your PayPal account and your account of PayPal will be successfully linked to your eBay. Once that step is complete, from now on, every time you check out, you no longer need to select a payment method. By default, PayPal will be selected and you no longer need to log in as well. So those are the few steps that you need to follow in order to link or set up PayPal as your default payment method on eBay. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.